I hear Tara vacuuming this morning. At first I thought, oh, Samantha's here. I hear the vacuum. No, well, first of all, it's Wednesday, so you wouldn't be here till noon. And then second of all, yeah, you're at home with your aching back. There she is, vacuuming.